Thank you everyone for coming. I will give you a brief introduction to GENie project generator tool that we are using on a main project. First, what is project generator? It's a tool that creates projects for you, essentially. So it should be lightweight and fast, and it should support portable features of various targets. It should be easy to learn and extensible. And what is GENie? GENie is a project generator tool. It automatically generates projects from Lua script. And you can make it apply some settings on the multiple projects easily. So initial version of GENie projects is a fork of a Premake 4.4 Beta 5. And there is no intention to keep compatibility with. And the reason for making a fork is that main distribution was not maintained, and there was a need to add new support for new compilers. And it is made by a group of people, me included here, and that's about it for it. Why not CMake? You probably all, some of you probably like CMake, but you do not like complex syntaxes. And also to support some custom actions, you need to be an expert to get it running. And also it is easy to maintain, but a hell to create initial configuration. Why GENie? It's simple to use and simple to learn. It's easy extensible because it's created in Lua, so you can basically add things you need inside the scripts. And it also supports various projects like Fast Build, GNU Make files, Ninja files, Visual Studio, almost all versions that are currently valid, and also Xcode. And who should use GENie? It's targeted to the projects needing multiple types of projects generated. So, for example, if you are developing for the multiple platforms, it's much easier for you to get it running. And it's targeted for people having trouble to learn CMake or similar tools. It's also because there are some people that need some additional things that are not available in CMake or hardly to be done. Where can you get it? You can get it from this GitHub link. And also there is a documentation, quite good one there. And there are also binaries in a different repo, but you have it all there for the 3 big platforms, but you can always build it from the source. And how do we start? Well, initially it's loading, it's checking for the existence of file called GENie Lua in the scripts folder or in the same folder as the where you run the project. And you then just open your favorite editor and type this. This would be the initial code that you will mostly use in most projects. So you have a solution in which you will define the name of the solution that you wish to create. It will be the corresponding to the Visual Studio solution. You can define the configurations, so for example, debug and release, and you can define the platforms on which you were running. Also the language, because it supports C# as well. Here is the example of a simple project, which is a console application. And you can see here a project directory as a variable. This is all Lua, so you can easily extend whatever you need. And you have a definition of includeers, which you will like to use. You have files there, and you have a specific rule for the configuration of the for the GMake, which gives you, for example, here C++14 only. If you wish to add the libraries, it's easy as well. So you can just put the static lib there, and it will be generating static libs. Also, you have the predefined toolchains Lua file, and which contains a lot of already defined targets. So, for example, just to create those files, you will have this GENie and just add additional parameters to run it. And who is using it, and here is the list of the few projects that we have found using this. So yeah, that's about it, and if there are some questions, you can find me here after all. Thank you.